Today I'm going to show you guys this hand mixer from the moment it comes out of the box because that's when you can really see if it's something feels worth it. This is the Lord Eagle hand mixer set, and first impression, it is lightweight and it does feel solid. I love the storage because how many times have you had to set the mixer and then find places for all these little accessories? This way everything can stay organized. When you open it up, you get all the attachments, the beaters, the dough hooks, and the whisk. They're stainless steel and feel sturdy. Setting it up is easy. You just click the attachments in and they lock in securely with no wobbling. So far, I'm going to use it to mix a batch of brownies, which is a good test because brownie batter can get thick, especially the extra chewy, extra fudge kind like we're making. I'm going to start off on a low speed so it doesn't splash everywhere and then work my way up. This is having 5 speeds, which makes a huge difference. You can control it instead of going full power right away and getting batter basically on the ceiling and everywhere in the kitchen but the bowl. When the batter gets thicker, I went ahead and I can hit the turbo button. It is powered right through without struggling. It mixes really smoothly. No unmixed pockets at the bottom, and I didn't have to stop and scrape nearly as much. The handle is comfortable too, which matters when you're holding it in for a few minutes. My hand didn't get very tired. What I like is that it's strong enough for baking but still easy to store. It doesn't take up a ton of space on my counter. And when I was done, the eject button popped the beaters right out. No pulling or messing with them. Cleanup is super simple. The attachments rinse off easily and the mixer wipes clean. We were sent this hand mixer to test out in our kitchen, and this is a really practical mixer. If you bake at home and you don't want something bulky, this is perfect because it stores great, it handles brownies easily, and it makes the whole process a lot quicker.